it's Rachel from the Twinkl Home Ed team, and I'm here to tell you all about our bee identification guide. Here are 10 activities that you can do with this one resource.
Starting at number 10 is the obvious one, taking on a bee hunt. Have it always in your back pocket, ready to spot some bees out on the go. Or if you can't get outside, have a little sensory hunt. Or stick them around your house, make some binoculars, and have an indoor hunt. Younger children can match like to like. Older children can try and match the names to the bees. And if you really want to challenge your children, they can make their own cards and add in habitat and adaptation and see if they can match all the different things. Need some fancy bits for a poetry tea time? Pop up a display, grab some honey for your crumpets and read some bee poems. Take the stress out of nature journaling for those that are just starting out by printing off the black and white copies. Have them watercolour that, copy out the Latin names, and you've got a lovely spread in your journal. Number 6, develop those literacy skills a little bit more by having everyone pick their own bee to research, maybe find out 5 fascinating facts and then present that in a video or a lap book, whatever takes your fancy.
Choose a bee and start to describe it together. Think about adverbs or similes and different ways to describe how the bee moves or communicates. You've done all this research about bees, now you can have your children maybe write an imaginary diary entry as if they're one of the bees. Maybe they could keep their bee a secret and you can try and work out from the clues which bee they've chosen.
And on to maths now. Sometimes all you need is a new resource to get children engaged in maths. So you can make some lovely bee manipulatives, use them in your 10 frames, your part whole models, for all your addition and subtraction. With data handling, you can use the titles and the bees and provide some data for children to represent in different ways. Each bee could be worth a multiple of something. So if it was 5, this would be 10 bees, and 5 bees. You can use the bees to make arrays for multiplication or put them into different groups for division. So there you have it, 10 ways that you can use our new bee identification guide. Let us know in the comments how you used it in your home.